Hi, guys. Welcome to Wake Up Wednesday with Tina Williams. Okay, guys, today, first, just to remind you, today is the final Business Boost Boot Camp powered by Comerica Bank. It's going to be happening today at 9:30 a.m. right after this live. So go ahead and register for that because we're going to be going over access to capital today, and we're going to be going into a deep dive of the funding process, which obviously that's what you want to know, guys. Also, if you're seeing this on the replay, even on the replay, if you're seeing it right now, shout out your business. On the replay, shout out your business. Like, and share this, guys, because I want to be able to continue to do this free for you guys and get it out, to the public. So let's go on right now and get here and share my screen. Hold on one second, guys. Okay, get the right screen for us. All right, so I'm going to be talking today about buying buying a building or buying an existing business. So I got this from First Business Bank. Pretty much all SBA 7A or 504 loans are going to have the same requirements to turn in. So you know what? This particular bank does these between 350,000. So the minimum that you can get is 350,000 from them, and the max here is $5 million. Now, what can you use this loan for? This application is for real estate, equipment, or leasehold. You can refinance real estate, equipment, or you can use a 7A loan to do a debt consolidation. Like if you got three or four more loans, and you got two loans and you want to consolidate into one loan, you can use this. Now, this is for business acquisition. You can purchase a business or buy out a partner. And then also you can franchise with this application. Mind you, the application has a 350 minimum, or you can start a professional organization or add an additional location. So in this case, they are saying that you can do a startup. Hey, Justin, how you doing? Good morning. You can be a startup, but you have to be a franchise. So they don't want you to be a true for a startup or a professional organization. That's like a lawyer or nurse or something like that. And then or you're already existing, but you want to open a new location. You're gonna do that. Equity injection, they're telling you how much you have to put into the deal. If you're refinancing, there's a 0%. But if you are not, good morning, Sylvia. Detroit in the house. All right. You got if you're doing a purchase of real estate equipment or doing leasehold improvements on a something that you are leasing and building out, you got to have 5 to 10%. So if that minimum, let's look at this. Oops, why did I do that? I was looking for my calculator. If you do that 350, okay, that means you got to have, if it's 5%, you got to have $17,500 in your bank account prior to applying. Liquid. Or if you got to do 10%, you got to have $35,000. So that is one of the things, sometimes as entrepreneurs, and we're trying to purchase a business or buy a building, we have to kind of save that money up. Good morning, Rock. How you doing? All right. So then on the refinance, obviously it's going to be zero. But if you're buying a business, expect to have about 10 to 20% in. And if you're a franchise professional organization or adding additional, look at about 10 to 15% down for that. Term, if you're doing real estate, go out 25 years, which, great if you're buying your real estate for your building. And sometimes if you're, instead of leasehold improvement, instead of doing that, you could go ahead and do buy it. So there's nothing wrong with buying your building. You just have to have that information, have that money. You know what? And in my experience, you don't have to have the best of credit to do it. You just have to have that percentage down. And you got to show that it's got to be a business that they know makes money, even if you're a startup. So basically, so you got debt service, guys. Debt service is the amount of money that you have after your taxes are, after you get your money in and you pay out all of your expenses, you have enough money to pay your debt 1.15 or 1.3 times or to 2 times. So if your net is, and you have debt, and you have free cash, they want you to be able to pay your debt 2 times over. And so that's what that means. And then some of this has a prepayment penalty. So this one, I have the whole package here for you guys to look at. However, we are over to time today. I just want to go over some of the things. If you're buying an existing business from someone else, you need something from the seller. You need the last 3 years of tax returns from the person selling the building. If it, like if you had rents and stuff inside of that building, they're gonna have to get that their tax returns to the lender. So not just your tax returns, because they're going to go on the existing cash flow of that business. P&L and balance sheet, offer memo or broker listing. If the seller had a PPP loan, they want to show the forgiveness of that loan, list of any owner benefits, if any salary year to date, and a copy of any of the existing leases in the building. That if you're buying an existing is this actually on Zoom? Yes, it is. Not Zoom. Oh, you mean what am I doing it on? I'm using something called StreamYard. So hi Justin. Yes, I will have, so if you private message me your number, I'll have somebody call you. So if for you, if you got partners, you got to have everything, everything filled out for all of the partners that own 20% or more, but they're going to need your past 3 years of tax returns. If you own another business, the last 3 years of the business tax returns, P&L balance sheet, business plan with 2 years of projection, monthly for 1 year with assumptions, anything else on the project that will be helpful for underwriting. Guys, we write business plans. So, this is something that we do. So if you're looking at doing that or getting a building, give us a call at 248-416-1755. But guys, before I go today, remember, I have the final Business Boost Boot Camp that is starting today at 9:30, like in 20 minutes from now. And we're going to be going over this stuff. This is the Access to Capital Business Boost Boot Camp. I mean, I kind of went over it in 5 minutes. We're going to be going over it in a whole hour. So, guys, I have placed the link to register for that in the comment above or in the post above. So, click and register for that event because it is about to happen in 20 minutes. All right, guys, see you there. Oh, thank you guys. I still want to thank Comerica for sponsoring this event and making it free for you guys. You guys are doing excellent by sharing, posting, and all of those things. And so I'm really appreciative of that. And this is allowing us to get, some of our stuff sponsored and continue to do these free things for you. So guys, do us a favor, like, share, and post these lives. And then also participate in our free events that Comerica is sponsoring, and we'll be able to do more next year. All right, guys, see you in a minute.